Hello everyone, this is Robert at HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Canton. This one's special. This is a 1,000 square foot ranch, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, finished basement, fenced backyard, attached garage. You gotta check this one out, come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Canton ranch. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.